Just came back from the one-ways there with one of my students. Remember the one-ways? It was nuts down there today, man. Oh yeah. It's like, well, they got the patios out now, blocking some of the lanes, and one of the streets is still closed, and then there seems to be a lot more of the pedestrians out today for some reason. I don't know, they're just like all over the place. Nobody's using a crosswalk. We had about, I don't know, a dozen or so just not using the crosswalks throughout the whole hour. So she got a good dose of it. And then it's funny, when we got off the one-ways back to the normal areas, she was like, man, this is so easy now. Don't have to think about anything. Well, you do.
You do, yeah.
A little less stressful.
Oh, 100%.
Thank God for air conditioning, man. Oh, look at that. It went up 1 degree, 32 now.